Let's do another quick feature, tiered memory, right? Everybody thinks Redis is a cache, right? We're trying to convince you it's not, it's more than just a cache. But you think of the cost of DRAM, right? DRAM's getting cheaper. You can get a terabyte of DRAM for about 15,000 bucks, right? That's still 15,000 bucks out of your paycheck and your bonus and whatever, somebody else's budget. And so, you know, also data is growing, right? We talked about gigabytes years ago. Now it's terabytes. Now it's moving to petabytes. We have customers with petabytes of data in Redis. And if you think about buying a petabyte of DRAM, that's really quite expensive, if you could even fit it into a chassis. And so one of the other things that we've been working on is the ability to tier data between DRAM and SSD, right? So DRAM's super fast, but expensive. SSD is still pretty fast, but it's a lot cheaper per gigabyte. And so what we can do with our Redis on Flash is to tier the data between those two pools. So the hot data is in DRAM, the colder data is in an SSD. And what this has allowed some of our customers to do is literally save 80% of their money by being able to tier data between these tiers. And so you can see here a rough graph of the cost of 1 terabyte of replicated data from a cloud service all the way through other NoSQL databases to Redis on Flash, still maintaining that 1 millisecond latency. But memory's also changing. If you saw Intel finally in May this year, announced the GA of their persistent memory. It's been in development for a zillion years. We've been a design partner with Intel. But now you've got persistent memory. And persistent memory sort of lives between DRAM and SSD. It's kind of fast like DRAM, but it's got the cost model of SSDs. So with Redis Enterprise, you can tier it between all of these different layers in the hardware so that you can get the best price, performance, and latency that you need. Okay, so why use Redis for all your applications? You know, I love the idea of that, but I think I need to convince you, right? So if we look at it from the different the personas of developer and operator, you know, developers, they want to code with data structures, right? And that's one of the things that people may fall in love with Redis. But also, you know, Redis was built by developers. It was built by Salvatore, who wanted to have something that was fast and fun for him to use.